Shazin, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Shazin Zara. My father's name is Aslan. I did in class 6 and 5 years. I study in Habiba and Muzahid Babalet School. I say I am a Pakistani. I am a Muslim. My school is this.
Do you know about the apple?
It is an apple. It is a big apple. Its color is red.
Shabash. Khushi, tell me about your school.
My school every day, hot and cool. I daily go to my school. I study the whole day in Bidavi. I also play. I will study much as I can, and I will be a very big girl.
Asghar, tell me about the 5 senses.
I can see with my eye. I can hear with my ear. I can smell with my nose. I can taste with my tongue. I can touch with my hand. That's all right.
Take care.